Would you like to spend more time doing the things you love while working less and making more from YouTube? For many years, I was hustling on YouTube, uploading 3 videos a week, but now I only upload once a week and have less stress, more time, and make more money. In this video, you'll learn how I work less but make more from YouTube so I can spend more time doing the activities that I love, such as cycling, spending time with family, and traveling. Here's why I do less to make more. Doing less allows me to focus on high impact tasks to get better results. This means creating content for my target audience and not wasting time on content my audience is not interested in. I also have less stress, which leads to a lighter workload and unleashes my creativity. By doing less, I can spend more time doing the other things I'm passionate about. Here are 10 ways I do less and make more from YouTube. Plan ahead. I set yearly and monthly goals on how much I want to make from my YouTube channel and how to do it, which I'll talk about later. I also keep a running list of new video ideas using the Notes app on my iPhone. Most good ideas usually come to my mind when I go for a walk or a run. Otherwise, I'll research the ideas in YouTube Analytics or answer questions from my video comments. Batching. I usually batch script, batch film, and batch edit my videos. Instead of writing one script and filming one video, I'll write 3 scripts and film 3 videos at once. I can then schedule them to be published on YouTube at different times. This allows me to publish my videos even when I'm not at the computer, attending a video conference, on vacation, or just not feeling well. For example, when I attended the VidSummit conference in Texas, I made sure that I had a video already scheduled for that week. It certainly relieves the stress of publishing a video on schedule. Focus on what matters most. If you want to work less and make more money, you've got to leverage the power of the 80-20 rule. Pareto's principle says 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. This means you need to cut out unnecessary things and focus on what matters most. For example, 80% of my YouTube traffic comes from the top 20% of my videos. When I double down on the videos that are generating the most traffic, it helps grow my channel. Use time blocks. Have you ever started your day checking your social media sites and emails, then 3 hours later realize you haven't got any work done? I use focused time blocks to get my most important stuff done. For example, if I need to write a video script, I'll set the timer for 1 hour and eliminate all distractions. When filming a video, I'll film it in 30-minute increments following the bullet points on my script. Using time blocks keeps me on track for the tasks I need to do for the day. When I finished all the tasks for the day, I'll usually go for a run or ride the local trails. Work during your most creative time. My most creative and productive time is the first thing in the morning. Usually I'll create a list of tasks the night before that I need to accomplish for the next day. When I sit down in front of my computer in the morning, I already know what I need to get done for the day. It might be coming up with new video ideas, writing a script, filming a video, or editing a video. Editing videos usually takes the longest, so I'll spread this out over several days. By lunchtime, which is usually around 1 or 2 o'clock, I'll have completed my work for the day, then usually go for a long bike ride. This helps me to relax, unwind, have fun, as well as come up with new video ideas. Automate as much as possible. Instead of doing everything manually, you can save a ton of time using tools and software. For example, you can use TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer tool to research keywords that will rank in the search engines. I'll place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below this video. You can also use TubeBuddy's AI title generator to generate a bunch of titles. You can also use TubeBuddy's suggested shorts tool to repurpose long-form content into shorts. For thumbnails, you can easily modify the templates that are included with the free image editor called Canva. For script writing, you can use ChatGPT. If you want to create a video from an article, you can use Kapwing.com. It'll also help you to automatically remove the silences from your video. It will also help you repurpose your content to other platforms. I'll place a link to Kapwing in the description. If you want to schedule your videos or images to be published on YouTube, you can use the scheduling feature that comes with YouTube. This means you can schedule a video or image several weeks in advance. The more tasks you automate, the more time you have to unleash your creativity. Repurpose your content. When you repurpose your content to other social media platforms, you expose your content to a wider audience. For example, you can repurpose a segment of your long-form video into a short, then upload it to YouTube. You can even link that short to your original long-form video. Other places you can share your content include LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Facebook groups, your blog, and your email list. I use Kapwing to repurpose my content to share on social media sites. It quickly creates multiple short clips from my long-form content. Build a list. The purpose of building a list off YouTube is that you own the list and you can promote your products and services outside YouTube. You don't have to rely on the income that's associated with displaying ads on your videos. Instead, you can promote your products and services to the people that have subscribed to your list. You can use YouTube to build your list by offering a free lead magnet such as a report, ebook, or template that people can download in exchange for their contact information. I use a software called Aweber to automate my list building. It stores my contacts, provides landing page templates to collect contact information, and automates the sending of emails to my list when I want to promote a product or service. As your list grows, so will your income. Create multiple income streams. The revenue I receive from displaying ads on my videos is not enough to pay all my bills or make a living. Therefore, I bundle multiple income streams to boost my income. For example, I also generate income by promoting affiliate products in my videos as well as on my email list. Here are the amounts I receive from TubeBuddy every month or every year by referring customers to them. I also sell my own digital products, such as the courses I have on how to grow on YouTube. I also offer coaching services for video creators that need help to grow their channels. One of the most lucrative ways to make money from YouTube is to do brand deals or sponsorships. This week, you can review a product for a company in exchange for payment. Typically, my brand deals generate thousands of dollars. And as your channel grows, you receive more requests from companies to promote their products. Watch this video to learn how to get brands to sponsor you on YouTube. Link is in the description. YouTube memberships and YouTube shopping are other ways that I generate income from YouTube. Click the join button below to become a member of my channel. You'll get exclusive members-only live streams every month, get your questions answered live, get access to my members-only Facebook group, get badges so your name stands out in the comments. You'll also be supporting my channel, which helps keep it growing. Bundling multiple income streams together helps increase the income I can generate from YouTube. Keep in mind the affiliate products I promoted on my channel several years ago still generate income every day on autopilot. When I want to scale my income, I just need to create and promote more products. Open a savings account. The main benefit of putting your money in a savings account is that you receive compound interest. For example, if you deposit $10,000 in an account that earns 5% annual interest, you'll earn $500 interest after 1 year. Thanks to compound interest, in year 2, you'll earn 5% of $10,500, which equals $525. You'll receive the principal plus the interest. If you save some of the money that you earn from YouTube and place it in a savings account, it'll earn compound interest and work for you for years to come. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. This is where shares of public companies split the profits with their shareholders by paying cash dividends and yield 2 and 6% per year. The dividend you receive is based upon the number of shares that you own from the company. Buying stocks that pay dividends provides a reliable and growing income stream. Obviously, the more money you invest in stocks, the more money you'll accumulate over the years. This is how you can work less and make more because the money is working for you 24/7. If you want to know how to make money from a YouTube channel without being a member of the YouTube Partner Program, watch this video on the screen right now on 10 ways to monetize YouTube channel without 1,000 subscribers. You'll be glad you did.